on OBT again. We are by Ferris Street. Roads on the main roads look good. Like I said, wind roads at the cross streets, as you can see coming right here. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna get stuck there. I passed a couple of cockroach cabs from Oasis. They got minivans, 2-wheel drive, doing all right. And they're from the southern hemisphere. I'm being nice about it. They don't have a lot of training. We are on our way, me and my co-pilot, to Fransisco to support a local business that's open today and have cigars. So if you have no reason, such as that good reason to be on the streets, stay off. But we are philanthropists and we like to help people. So we're going to have a stick and support a local business. As you can see, we got a red light here. Turn green. Never mind. I didn't have to teach you about the martial law and rule of snowstorms. Stop, look both ways, and then go. They closed Walmart, by the way. Really? Yeah, I was in there to sending everybody home. Slow down in the corners, kids. This is where people mess up. And get on it. I know.
Oh, the money
yeah,
we make.
You're losing out big time. This is a good 24-hour one, too. This would be blood money. Better be open. He posted these.
Well, it's actually kind of funny how this worked out because she reminded me it was a while ago that
give me green light.
Special dedication on behalf of Dennis to
there we go.
Peter Gabriel and in your eyes. So it's funny how things kind of come up. They're so close. I'm Ian O'Malley. It's the Saturday morning session of Rock. I was just looking out the window and don't go outside today. You've heard it over and over again. Don't be the one hero that goes to the store to get milk. Just stay indoors. Batten down the house.
I don't know who has a back door.
Miles per hour. Flooding in a number of areas. Power outages in a number of areas. Thankfully, things taper off later this summer.
Light poles down.